The proper drainage behind a natural stone wall is extremely important. Let me show you what happens. After 19 years, the stone is just deteriorated. We're pulling all this out. We're going to keep the good stones and use them for the rebuild. But just look at how the stone has just deteriorated the rubble. I mean, the bad stones have just crumbled because of all the moisture. There's no drainage system behind this wall whatsoever. So we're pulling the retaining walls apart. We're going to reuse the stone that has survived this 19 years of abuse and replace the stones that have broken down over time from the moisture. And we're going to put it back together with a drainage system to prevent this from happening again. When you're looking for experience and you want it done right the first time, give us a call.